In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your iContact email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your iContact emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. We have opted to create a new email campaign and selected our template. Next, we select the HTML block in the template builder. We drag this block into position where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we name our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. Next, we enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. Next, we choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our template. We return to our iContact campaign. We click on the HTML block to reveal the HTML pane. We now paste the HTML snippet into this source code pane and click the Save icon. Our video is now in position within our template. Next, we select Preview to view our video email on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For full details of the free Viewed trial, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.